Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to unblock a user on Google Chat on your PC based on the latest update. If you've accidentally blocked someone or you've decided to restore communication, this quick guide will help you do it in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo, and right next to it there's a small grid of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it to open the full selection of Google services. From the list, find and select Google Chat. This will open the chat interface where you can view your recent conversations and settings. Now, look to the upper right corner again. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. From the menu that appears, find and select the option called Access Restrictions. This is where the controls for managing who can contact you are located. Inside Access Restrictions, you'll see an option labeled Manage Blocked Users. Click on it. This will show you a complete list of people you've previously blocked on Google Chat. To unblock someone, simply hover your mouse over their name or the empty space next to it. A small unblock button will appear. Click on Unblock, and just like that, the user will be able to message you again. It's worth noting that unblocking someone doesn't automatically restore your past conversation history if it was cleared. However, you'll now be able to chat freely, send files, or start a video call with them as you normally would. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can easily manage your contacts and keep your Google Chat experience exactly the way you want it. If this guide helped you, take a moment to go through your blocked list and make sure no important contacts are still restricted.